Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy 360 Eco, and we back with another video. As you can see, spacious, very spacious. We're out here just in the middle of nowhere, man. We're about to do the K&N Performance air filter, the install, man. We're about to do that install. We got the Insta360 strapped onto right here. You barely see the thing that's holding it. I figured this is a pretty quick, easy install. To be honest, I already popped this thing open. I cleaned it. It was a lot of shit on inside underneath the air filter. Watch, I'll show you guys. EcoBoost owners, fairly simple, man. Just pop those two latches off. Make sure this thing clears this part right here. Just pull it like that. You could use this to kind of hold it. It's not going to do no damage to your thing. So there it is. Just take it out. I already cleaned it, like I said. This thing, I mean, I dusted it as much as I could, but as you can see, I'm gonna hold it up because it's windy right now and it's gonna probably spray everywhere. Yeah, this thing's got a whole bunch of shit in there. Bugs, dust, caca, you name it, your mom, whatever, you know, it's got all that shit in there. So we're gonna put it down right there. And let's not put it on the floor, just put it right here on the car, you know what I'm saying? Alright, see, as you can see, it's not really much going on in there. I cleaned it as best as I could. I'm about to pop in the K&N. Supposedly there's a bit of performance gains, is what they say. Hopefully this is good audio for you guys. I mean, if it's not, then damn, this is gonna suck. I mean, I should have used those lavalier mics. I did have them too. I think I left them at home. We can figure out how to open the box. Let's do that install, huh? How to open the box. Brand new. Sheesh. I like the color on that sucker. That looks a lot. It's oiled, so I don't want to take it out right now, but I'm just showing you guys what it can look like. My bad. That's what it looks like. EcoBoost owners, recommend you guys clean your shit. Got a truck coming in. Well, like, what's going on with this? Oh, that's live right there. That's when you know shit's going down in real life, bro. I literally just parked in front of like right here. They do donuts and shit, and then also there's like a couple body shops, but there's also a business that I never even knew existed over here. But yeah, that's up. So yeah. At least I'm not in their way though. I gave them enough space to get in. So this is the bad boy. It's not that much oiled, but I mean it's oiled on the sides, you know. So all you gotta do is just pop that sucker in. Just like that, guys. I'm only moving the mount, not the camera, but you can see, got the K&N compared to this. I don't know, what do you guys think? You know, obviously that looks a whole lot better. Can't wait to see how the car runs right now. On top of that, I also got the blow-off valve adapter, so maybe it might accentuate the turbo noise a little bit more. But we can do an install for that one as well one of these days. Install is not done until we close this sucker. So make sure you clear this thing again. Also, you got to make sure it hooks into these things down here. You might not be able to see it, but EcoBoost owners, you might know. Yeah, tell, huh? Just got to make sure these things go in secure. That's about it. Just gonna do it like that, you know. Alright, it's popped in, they're secure. These things just latch in, bro. Oh. Appreciate you guys. K&N, if you guys are looking to sponsor somebody, holla at your boy 360 Eco. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, 360 EcoBoost. Holla at me, man. When is the day y'all gonna sponsor your boy, man? 360, come on, sponsor the EcoBoost. Let's make this a crazy build. Trust me, I have ideas. Maybe a 2JZ swap. Like, I need sponsors though. I need y'all to go in on me and help your boy out. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what kind of installs or videos you guys want to see next. Let me show you guys the blow off adapter that I was talking about. Just kind of point it. You can see that purple. You see that red thing down there? If you see that red adapter down there, that is the blow off valve that I got. Now I got that off eBay, and it's not really branded, so it's not like it's a HKS or a C&L blow off adapter or Turbo Smart, nothing like that. That's the original. I am gonna do a video how to do the install on this, or if you guys want to take off your blow off adapter. Obviously, if you put it on, you already know how to do it, but I can show you guys how to do the install on that. But I mean, you guys want to hear the turbo, so why the fuck not? But that's gonna be the video, man. I appreciate you guys tuning in for your boy. This is the scenery that we're working with right here. It's a beautiful day out here, man. Blessed to be alive and see another day. I appreciate you guys who have been tuning in. I know I've been MIA. And shit, but we're gonna get back to it. We're gonna start grinding again. So I appreciate you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. To the next one, fam.